Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. Modern dining room designs ideas embrace a fresh and innovative approach to creating inviting and functional spaces for sharing meals and fostering connections. A hallmark of modern dining rooms is their emphasis on simplicity, clean lines, and a seamless blend of form and function. Neutral color palettes such as soft grays, whites, and earthy tones dominate the design, creating a certain ambiance that allows the focus to be on the social experience of dining. The use of natural materials like wood, stone, and metals add warmth and texture to the space, while also providing a connection to the outdoors. Modern dining room furniture often features sleek geometric shapes and smooth finishes, striking a perfect balance between contemporary aesthetics and comfort. Lighting plays a critical role in the modern dining room designs, with pendant lights and sculpture candidates serving as eye-catching focal points to add personality and flair. Vibrant artworks or a carefully curated gallery wall can adorn the walls in open concept layouts in the dining area seamlessly integrates with the rest of the living space, promoting a sense of unity and fluidity in the home. Ultimately, modern dining room designs ideas cater to those who appreciate understand elegance, a culture-free environment, and a welcome seat for memorable gatherings and shared meals. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.